Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Purple Dragon dog grooming scissors set is probably one of the most essential tools for any pet owner looking to keep their furry friend looking sharp and feeling comfortable, offering a professional-grade grooming experience right in the comfort of your own home, ensuring precision and ease with every cut, and ultimately contributing to your dog's overall health and happiness by making grooming a less stressful and more enjoyable activity for both of you. Number 5. CADABY 5-in-1 Pet Grooming Scissors Kit. Our grooming scissors feature specially designed round tips. This ensures you can safely trim sensitive areas like your pet's face, ears, and paws without any risk of poking their skin. Crafted from high-quality Japanese 4CR stainless steel, these shears are exceptionally sharp. They provide a clean, smooth cut every time, preventing snagging and ensuring a professional finish. Designed for a comfortable grip, these scissors are easy to use with your right hand. The integrated rubber bumper minimizes noise, keeping your pet calm and comfortable during grooming sessions. You can easily adjust the tightness of the blades with the provided screw. This allows for a personalized cutting experience tailored to your preference and your pet's needs. This comprehensive 5-in-1 kit includes straight, curved, and thinning scissors, along with a pet comb, all housed in a convenient leather case. They are longer than standard shears for a more comfortable grooming experience. We are confident in the quality of our grooming kit. It makes an excellent gift for any pet owner, and we are here to assist with any questions you may have. What we like. These shears feature rounded tips, making them incredibly safe for delicate areas like your pet's face and paws. They are crafted from durable 4CR stainless steel for sharp, snag-free cutting. If you prioritize safety and want a complete kit for at-home grooming, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The blades are super sharp and made of great quality steel, well-balanced, lightweight, and very comfortable to hold. After more than a year of use, everything still works perfectly. The adjustable tension is easy to control, and the variety in the set is amazing: straight, thinning, and rounded scissors, plus a sturdy stainless steel comb that's so easy to clean. These thinning shears are the best. They don't take off too much like the others that have teeth on top and blade on bottom which leaves visible cuts. These ones have teeth on both which leaves no visible cuts, just the right amount of hair removed with each cut. Number 4. Purple Dragon 8.0 Pet Grooming Chunker Shears, Red. Introducing the Purple Dragon 8.0-inch Grooming Shears, designed for professional results. Crafted from durable 440C stainless steel, these shears offer exceptional strength and longevity for all your pet grooming needs. Experience effortless grooming with our razor-sharp blades, expertly angled at 45 degrees for precise thinning and cutting. Achieve a smooth finish every time, making grooming a breeze. These shears showcase meticulous craftsmanship with their delicate screw and silencer design. This attention to detail ensures a high-end feel and superior performance. Designed with your comfort in mind, the ergonomic structure reduces strain on your hands and joints. Enjoy a comfortable grip that minimizes the risk of repetitive motion injuries during long grooming sessions. We stand by the quality of our grooming shears with a 6-month unconditional return policy and a 2-year warranty. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer replacements or refunds for your peace of mind. What we like. This is a professional-grade 8.0-inch chunker shear made from high-quality 440C stainless steel, perfect for thinning and blending. Its ergonomic design significantly reduces hand strain during long grooming sessions. If you're a professional groomer or a dedicated DIYer looking for comfort and efficiency, this shear is ideal. What people say. They make trim up all overs so much easier. These make trimming up tails so much easier as well. Sharpen does the job. Helps to thin out coats for easy brushing. Number 3. Purple Dragon 5-10 Hair Cutting Shears. Experience precision like never before. These shears are crafted from premium Japanese stainless steel, designed to stay sharp and deliver a perfect cut every single time. Forget dull blades. Our hand-sharpened steel retains its edge up to 3 times longer than standard scissors, ensuring consistent performance for all your grooming needs. Designed for efficiency, these shears feature a finely honed blade and an ergonomic Western hand design. You'll find yourself cutting more smoothly and comfortably. Built for extended use, these scissors offer unparalleled comfort. Whether you're a barber or a pet groomer, you can work for hours without experiencing fatigue. Presented in exquisite packaging, these shears make a thoughtful and memorable gift. Give the gift of superior craftsmanship to your loved ones. Perfect for both professional barbers and pet groomers, these shears handle all your cutting tasks with ease. From fine trims to full grooms, they are your go-to tool. What we like. Crafted from hand-sharpened Japanese 440C stainless steel, these shears maintain their sharpness for extended use. The Western-style hand design ensures comfortable and efficient cutting, even for prolonged periods. If you're a professional barber or pet groomer who values precision and comfort during long grooming days, these shears are a fantastic option. What people say. I particularly like the tightening screw with the spanner nut. I won't buy another pair of scissors with the knurled nut as I have had too many occasions when they have come apart. These cut very well after I tightened the screw with the spanner tool. These shears are razor sharp and cut very evenly. The fine hair Maltese and soft powder puff Chinese crested cut without bending. They are very sharp and comfortable. They get the job done. Number 2. Purple Dragon 7.0-inch Rhinestone Pet Grooming Scissors Set. Introducing the Purple Dragon 7.0-inch Grooming Shears. This set is designed for professional pet groomers and pet lovers alike. With a 7.0-inch length and razor-sharp edges, these shears are safe and easy to use on dogs, cats, and other pets. They are perfect for trimming all types of pet hair. Crafted from high-quality Japan 440C stainless steel with a hardness of 62 HRC, these scissors offer a sleek look and exceptional durability. The design ensures no hair gets caught between the blades, reducing mess. Achieve precise cuts and thinning with a thinning rate of 25% to 35%. These shears are ideal for detailed grooming and styling. Featuring a delicate screw and rhinestone decoration, these 7.0-inch shears are built for durability and style. They are a perfect addition to any professional groomer's toolkit. Elevate your pet grooming experience with this professional set. They are designed for efficiency and comfort, making grooming easier than ever. What we like. This 7.0-inch set, made from durable 440C stainless steel, offers professional-grade cutting and thinning capabilities. The added rhinestone decoration provides a touch of style. If you're a pet groomer looking for a functional yet stylish tool set that performs well on all pet coat types, this is a great pick. What people say. These scissors are incredibly sharp and cut through my dog's thick fur with ease, making grooming a much faster process. The ergonomic design of the handles ensures a comfortable grip, even during long grooming sessions, reducing hand fatigue. The set includes various types of scissors, such as thinning shears and curved scissors, offering versatility for different grooming needs and styles. Number 1. Dog Grooming Scissors Kit by We Love Doodles. Introducing the ultimate grooming tool for your beloved pets. This professional-grade set is designed for precision and ease of use. Specifically crafted to meet the grooming needs of breeds like poodles and golden doodles. Achieve salon-quality results at home. This comprehensive kit includes straight, curved, and thinning shears. Tackle any grooming challenge with the right tool for the job. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel for durability and sharpness. They are built to last through countless grooming sessions. Make grooming a breeze with these comfortable and efficient shears. Keep your furry friends looking their best with minimal effort. Designed with professional groomers in mind, these tools offer superior performance. Experience the difference quality makes for your pet's coat. What we like. This 4-piece professional-grade set is specifically designed for breeds with challenging coats like golden doodles and poodles. It includes straight, curved, and thinning shears to tackle all grooming needs. If you own or groom these specific breeds and need specialized tools for a perfect finish, this set is tailored for you. What people say. The scissors are sharp, precise, and easy to use. Perfect for trimming my golden doodle's face and paws without pulling the hair. This kit has everything you need. It has the curved shears, it has the comb, it has a straight blade. It has all kinds of accessories. They are sharp and continue to stay sharp as you use them. Easy to use. Didn't loosen up on me at all while using them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.